My question is, what is the criteria making dua to Allah?
You see, criteria is always seek Allah's help and beseech His help and do dua for good things.
Yeah.
You see? So if you are asking for good things and seeking good results of those good things, and Allah Ta'ala give you those good things, then those prayers will be accepted. But if your dua is that, oh Allah Ta'ala, kill that person and take revenge from that boy who has cheated me or did wrong to me, so these prayers are not accepted. So the criteria is that you always seek Allah's help in everything good. Then Allah Ta'ala will help you. And that is the criteria. And before that, you should do istighfar also, so that Allah Ta'ala save you also from the bad things. Right? And also do Durood Sharif. See? When you recite Durood Sharif, then the Holy Prophet ﷺ says that your prayers will be accepted. If you do not recite Durood Sharif and just ask, do dua, Allah Ta'ala will not accept it. As I have told you earlier in some other meeting, that the Holy Prophet ﷺ says that those duas will remain suspended in the air. They will not reach to the heaven. So it will not.
Hazur.
That means they will not be accepted. So the basic thing is that do istighfar, offer Durood Sharif, and then seek Allah's help and ask Him whatever you like, good, not bad.
Hazur, can I tell you something, please? It's not to be rude.
Then, okay, I will listen to you later on. And the thing is that you should also be a practicing Muslim. Offer 5 daily prayers. Not that when you are in need of something, then you start offering prayers and seek Allah's help. No. Whether you need something or not, whether you are happy or not, even if you are in your happy life and you don't have any worries, even then you should offer daily prayers and seek Allah's help. And do istighfar and do durood. Then Allah Ta'ala will accept your prayers when you are in need of those things, for the acceptance of those prayers. Right? Okay, now tell me, what do you want to say?
Hazur, basically, I've been making a dua for 4 months now, and I was cried to Allah and everything for it, and it doesn't seem like it's been accepted yet. How can I not lose hope and never give up and know that this dua will be accepted in the coming months?
You see, you have been doing some dua for the last 4 months and it has not been accepted.
No, not yet. I know Allah will accept it, inshallah.
Allah Ta'ala knows better. He has the knowledge of everything. He knows whether the thing you are asking for is good for you or not. If Allah Ta'ala feels that it is not good for you, He will not accept it. If you are offering 5 daily prayers and you are a true Muslim and practicing Muslim and have a fear of Allah Ta'ala, and do istighfar and do Durood Sharif, then even then if Allah Ta'ala is not accepting it, that means whether He tells you or not, but that means that prayer you are doing or the thing you are asking for is not good for you. So if you are not practicing Muslim, you are not offering 5 daily prayers even in a normal life, and not doing istighfar, not doing Durood Sharif, offering Durood Sharif, then start doing it. And then again do the same prayer. Then see whether it is accepted or not. Even if it is not accepted, even then just relax and think that it's the will of Allah, that He is not going to accept that prayer. So then ask Allah Ta'ala that whatever is good for me, give me that thing in place of this. Right? Okay?
Okay.
You must have a firm belief that Allah Ta'ala will give you the good thing, not the bad thing. Sometimes your prayers are not good for you. This is why they are not listened by Allah Ta'ala. Okay? Instead, Allah Ta'ala gives you, accept those prayers in some other way. Okay?
The same thing, but in different ways.
And you will get benefits in some other things instead of getting that thing. Right? If you feel comfortable, you can write to me, then what was your prayer?
I do, Hazur. I write to you like all the time about it, like non-stop.
So you can write to me what was that prayer, then I will let you know, that I will tell you. Okay? All right?
Sorry for taking a long time.
All right. All right. Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah.